The Jakku scavengers have recovered an old Imperial droid, one the Resistance is eager to seize. What the droid contains, I am not at liberty to say, but I will sacrifice this whole brigade to retrieve it. We will take control of this wreckage and prevent the Resistance from fleeing with its prize. Secure the landing pad and the old reactor control chamber. Then we close the noose.
Hostiles in range.
Reactor control is nearly contained. Hold position for now.
Grenade prepped.
We're holding the outer perimeter. Regroup and move deeper into the wreckage. The Resistance is massing to break free with the droid. More of them than we expected. Find them in supply hold, seize the area and scatter their forces. After that, we'll track and slaughter them.
Grenade out! Hostile spotted.
An elite operative is deployed. The order provides. Hurt.
Grenade in play. Got a ping on hostiles.
Locking down the hold.
Ray has been spotted. Be careful around that scavenger.
Grenade in play.
The longer this takes, the more time they have to plan.
Hostiles in range.
Moving on the hold.
Hammer blows. Destroy them. Now, purge the Resistance. The hold is ours. Chase the enemy down. Now is the test of our assault. Capture the two main exit points so the Resistance cannot leave. We will pluck our prize from the carnage.
Hostile spotted.
Going for the east exit.
In position at the east exit.
Hostiles in range.
Moving to secure the east exit.
Targeting the east exit now.
on hostiles.
This is taking too long. Secure the east exit now.
Hostile spotted. Grenade out!
New ally on site. The resistance should be afraid.
Holding down the west exit.
Enemy targeted. Grenade out!
Anger that fuels you. Surely you see it.
Hostiles in range. Grenade prepped.
They're scrambling now. Hold the west exit. Captain Phasma has arrived to oversee
Got
the
a ping on
battle.
hostiles. Grenade out! Grenade out!
Special operative on site and taking point.
Hostiles in range.
Taking position at the west exit. Unidentified elite reinforcements. Careful, squads.
Exit point secure. They'll scurry about, looking for escape. Chase them down. No. No! Resistance transports have landed. They're attempting an aerial extraction. Place charges on the transport and detonate them. We succeed or fail here.
Special operative on site and hitting the resistance.
Grenade in play!
After winter would
Foot vessel prepped for detonation.
Rowing!
Explosive disarmed. Cannot detonate the starboard transport.
All transport destroyed.
Hostiles in
Now,
range.
eliminate the starboard ship.
Rowing!
Starboard transport bomb disabled.
Think not.
One of the resistance leaders is here. Starboard ship wired for detonation.
Enemy. Head down!
Imperial Special Forces.
Guard the starboard transport. Countdown nearing zero.
Grenade out! Enemy target!
Now what's left of the resistance is truly trapped, and the Imperial droid belongs to us.